I thought I'd give you a quick room tour. What is up, guys? So it's Monday morning. If you can see by my eyes, I got like an eye infection, so I look like a zombie out of the I Am Legend film. Like I've been bit. It's not great, but just one of them things, innit? I thought I'd give you a quick room tour. I said I was going to show you it, so I may as well. I've got quite a lot going on in here, and I just think it'd be pretty cool to show you guys. Right, so as we go in, we've got a mirror straight away, as you can see already. We've got the Sullivan like sample rail, loads of samples, t-shirts that I wear, hoodies, joggers, all ones that have like prototypes and stuff like that, different colours. Some that are actually out, like these ones, and some that I just get for the models to wear and stuff. A pair of trainers on the bottom, a hoodie, some caps as well that might be releasing soon. We've got a very nice full length mirror, which is where I get a lot of decent Instagram selfies. Coming in, we've got a picture. New York, it's quite New York based, my room. Got quite a lot of New York stuff going on. Got a linen basket, just where I put all my dirty washing. And then we've got like this soft box. This is what I use the lighting when you see me do like outfit videos. So I use this lighting, put my blind down, and it uses a bit of a backdrop, which is pretty good. This is the wall that I take pictures for, like on Depop and eBay when I'm selling stuff. Got just my bag that I use every day. Nice little stool or seating area, and it's also got a bit of storage underneath. So it's got, I think I've got trainers under here. I've got shoes anyway. Got a few things under there, but yeah, it's pretty comfy. I never really sit on it though, to be honest. The main thing, my bed, which is so comfy. I absolutely love it. It's got like this leather headboard. It's like a black leather bed, and you can sit on the side of it. It's dead cool, dead low. I like low beds, me. I'm not a massive fan of high beds. So that's my bed. I think it's a king, so it's a pretty big guy, aren't I? Pretty tall. We've got another New York picture. I absolutely love New York, probably my favourite city, so New York based. I really want to head back there at some point soon. Bedside lamp, drawers. We've got goals that I write down, just constant affirmations in my brain. Got a nice TV, so I watch like my Netflix, YouTube. Don't really watch that much TV, to be honest. I like watching sports, so I watch a lot of football, F1, tennis, more of that type of thing. Films, I am a big fan of films as well. Got some more drawers, cupboard space, got some books in there, stuff, loads of clothes in there. I'm not going to show you in there, but a nice like work surface space, deodorant, got a bin, and then I've got like this, you know, collecting like 2s, 1s and 5p's. I've had it for ages, but I'm just going to keep going until they get filled. Don't know how much it'll be worth, but it's just pretty cool, isn't it? Then I'll show you this, also hanging space, a Pull&Bear jacket. These are most of my jackets really. So we've got 3 denim jackets, my Couture Club track jacket, Stradivarius, bombers, hoodies. Yeah, it's just, I don't have that much space in my wardrobe, so I thought it'd just be decent to get that as well. I've got my tripod for all my videos. And the main bit where I get most of my work done is my desk. I absolutely love this like space. Don't know, it's just dead simplistic, nice white, vibrant, and we've got really nice window. So when it's sunny, you get really good lighting. So I've got my Mac, and then I've got my pad, which I'll write down all my stuff to do on a daily basis. So I'll write the date, and then just like write what needs to be done. This book, which a lot of you guys have been asking me about, an inspirational quote a day. Got it off Amazon. My mum got it me for Christmas, so. Today, a champion is afraid of losing, everyone else is afraid of winning. Billie Jean King, that's today's date. Got a little mirror, another one. Another little success and inspiration thing. Sometimes when I'm a bit demotivated, I'll just like take a few of them out and just have a read of them. I've also got a bigger pad of video ideas, and I just write a lot of notes in here. I'm always writing notes down, always. This is my like accessory drawer. So we've got watches, bracelets, sunglasses, and that's my Mac, which I couldn't live without that, touch wood. Love that thing, it's great. Also got like this, I know it's a bit messy, but chargers for my camera, phone, and hairdryer. So I'll sit here on this desk chair, my hairdryer in the mirror, and then we've got my products down here, so brushes, this black mist, which I highly recommend, it's very good. And that's my room. Moving on to the wardrobe, we've got another full-length mirror, which is decent, good lighting. This is my trainer collection. I'm actually trying to up my trainer game, so my shoe game as well. I've got some nice shoes, Converse, Adidas, Nike, Ultra Boosts. Let me know if you want me to do like a trainer haul video. I think that'll be a pretty good video. So you've got all my jeans, quite a few pairs, like white, grey, black, the usual blue. More jackets, hoodies, shirts, denim shirt, like more summery shirts. Got all my t-shirts, jumpers, belts. A few more like button-down dressy shirts, blazers, you can see in there. Yeah, that's my wardrobe. And then I'm actually lucky enough to have my own bathroom. So this is my little ensuite, which is very nice. Got a nice walk-in shower. I have a shower usually nearly every morning. Sometimes I don't. Just it does wake you up and make you feel a lot better when you've had one though. I need to clean this mirror, so don't like have a go at me, but a nice mirror. Got all my products, sink, brush my teeth, scales, another one life, one chance, no regrets. I know there is quite a lot of like inspirational quotes, but I just feel it's better to be a lot more positive and it gets your mind in a better place. So also got like my notepad where I've got all my weigh-ins for this current diet and more affirmations, more goals. But yeah, that's like my room tour, that's everything. Hope you enjoyed it. I know a lot of you guys are asking me for a house tour. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do it, but I'll try my best. I will try my best. Apologies for my eyes, I know they're not the best. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe if you are new. And I'll link a lot of the stuff in the description if you want to have a look, like the desk, the bed, just like simple things. See you in a bit, guys.